go, let's go. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday today, guys. So still the weather is not so good. Like this. Wow. So we're going to the bus station now. Wow. Wow. Can I open this one? Wow. Wow. So guys, we found that birds, so many birds on the mountain. Oh no! Oh no! That's the weather. Wow, still foggy today. Iris. Iris. Did you see now? What did you see? Sayaka over there. Hello, Sayaka. Wow. Too far away, going far away. Over there. Hey, Iris. Good morning. Say hello. Say hello. Hi, good morning. What's up? Wow. Oh. Ooh. But not so many now. Not so many. Oh. So this is the weather, guys. Oh. Wow. Like this. You cannot see now the many birds. Too many birds. Wow. Oh, early morning. It's 8:04 already here in Japan. Not so many cars here. Irie and Sayaka going to the bus station. (8:05). We are late. Little bit. So look at, guys, not so many car in the morning. So this is the road of the Shinkansen, the big train here in Nagasaki. So there's a tunnel. We're here now at the intersection. So yeah, so I need to delete my some of videos. Come home, Irie. Come home. It's raining. It's raining today, Irie. Come on, my dear. My dear. Come here, my dear.